Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the work zone and marking a clean, straight line. This gives predictable results. Once done, choose the right tool, manual for short runs, powered for long stretches, and set a comfortable stance. Begin the first cuts shallow. Score the turf first, then deepen to the target depth gradually. Make sure to keep the string taut and your feet steady so the edge stays consistent. This early control prevents wandering and saves time later. Now you refine the trench into a defined edge by working in short, controlled sections so you maintain accuracy. Once you cut the turf, lever it out vertically rather than scraping, which preserves soil structure. This makes installation of borders or supplying mulch easier. Use a 90 degrees blade angle for a clean face and trim roots cleanly with a sharp spade. Make sure to check alignment against the string often, and adjust depth to 1. Finish by installing any edging material or by backfilling and tamping the soil to lock the edge in place. This prevents washout. Once done, water lightly to help soil settle and trim stray grass for a sharp look. If edges look uneven or the line wandered, cut shallowly along the high spots, remove loose soil, then retamp and recheck against the string. That simple recut corrects most problems without redoing the whole run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.